Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So we should get the application from the Play Store because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AOD option. That's why in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge app. And now we should just get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open, click to draw over apps, and find here Muviz Edge application. Tap on the switcher and go back to the app. So now here switch Edge lights to the AOD, select one from these available tabs, tap to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.